Assalamu alaikum grade 1 and welcome to English period 2. Today we are doing poetry and I think we will have loads of fun together. Did you know that having fun and being creative is also an important part of learning? In today's lesson, you will be able to learn about rhyming words and poetry. Together we will revise them and we will begin to read a poem and try to understand it. Before we get started, I would like to tell you about the value of the month. You should know it by now, so say it along with me. Our value of the month is heritage. Heritage means the practices that are passed down from one generation to the next. Remember, if you enjoy watching videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. If you want to warm up before we continue with the video, pause the video and go back to the PowerPoint and click on this link. Then we can begin learning together. The key vocabulary for our lesson will be 3 words. Number 1, poem. What is a poem? A poem is written words that express ideas or emotions powerfully. Number 2, stanza. A group of lines in a poem is called a stanza. Number 3, rhyming words. 2 or more words that have the same or similar ending sound will be called rhyming words. For this lesson, you will need a copybook and a pencil. Now, what is poetry? Do you know? Poetry is a way to express your feelings and ideas in a unique style. You can even use your personality. Sometimes the poetry you read can rhyme. Other times, it can just be a whole lot of confusing lines. Now, what are rhyming words? Rhyming words are 2 or more words that have the same or similar sound at the end. An example of rhyming words will be brother, mother. If they sounded similar or the same at the end, then they rhyme. Before we start reading our poem, let us learn Let us learn about the title of the poem and the poet. The poet is the name of the person who wrote the poem. Glad Me by Joanne Paulson. These groups of lines are called stanzas. Now let's begin. Before I start reading, you can use the picture to imagine what the poet is trying to tell us. Glad me. Glad me with peacock green ocean waves glisten in the sun like crystal or tears. Glad me with bronze red beach leaves glow in the rain like sunset or flame. I hope you enjoyed that. What do you think the poet was trying to tell us? She seems very happy when the sun is shining, making the waves look like crystal or tears. She even compared the color of the waves to a peacock. Have you ever seen a real peacock? Now, let us try to find some rhyming words. I am going to read the second stanza again. Listen out to find the words that rhyme. Glad me with bronze red beech leaves glow in the rain like sunset or flame. Did you find any words that rhyme? Great job! Rain and flame. Before we end, we have a challenge that is just right for you. Choose a question that you are comfortable to answer and write it down in your copybook. Then you can go ahead and play the quiz. Until next time.